Hey there, everyone. Hope you had a fantastic trading week. We're going to talk about the numbers for the week, see how we come out. We only trade a couple of days, but I think you're going to be pretty surprised. So make sure you stick around to the end. You're not going to want to miss that. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. But if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, but most importantly, hit that like button. Help me get these videos out to more people. You know, there's nothing not to like on this video. There's lots of people out there. If you're looking for news, there's lots of YouTubers giving you the news. If you're looking for someone to entertain you, I'm not it. But if you're looking for someone to follow and really learn and see what they're doing on a day-to-day basis, that lets you know their entry points, their exit points, where they're seeing something going, you're going to want to be sure and follow along. So let's talk about the market today. We had actually a pretty good day. Market was dropping, but then surprisingly enough, just before market close, we had a really big run up. We ended up with the S&P only being down 0.26%, Dow down 0.22%, and the NASDAQ only down 0.11%. So they got almost back up to even for the day right there at the end. We were dropping down and moving downward pretty good, and then last hour and a half of the day we had a pretty good rally. Last 30 minutes of the day the S&P really rallied hard, coming up over 0.5% just in the last 30 minutes there. I was watching it. Now I was pretty happy. We made money on our SQQQs. We made money on our SPY puts. Did very well on those. Up 25.2% on the SPY puts and 4.8% on our SQQQ. So those was really good plays. I was really happy with that. Overall, actually a lot of the market in the green today. We had, a little bit of mixture, but mostly on my watch list in the green. Crypto not doing too bad. Like I said, overall a pretty solid day, especially to be a Friday. So I was really happy with that. Now, as you know, the market was closed on Monday, so I wasn't trading. I didn't trade any Tuesday, and I didn't pick up any positions today. So the only days I actually traded this week was Wednesday and Thursday. And overall, I think we did very well with that. Now, why wasn't I trading? Well, if you caught my video earlier in the week, I really very rarely trade from Christmas to New Year's. It's not a time of the year where I'm really looking to be in the market. Mostly because there's a lot of people still out there taking tax losses, tax harvesting. You've just got people out there traveling. It's really hard to predict these markets, at least for me, that last week of December. So I try not to do too much day trading, position myself up for a few swing trades, which is why I went with the options, and it's why I was focused on like the SQQQ, because I could see the market in a downturn and I wanted to capture some of that. And if I end up holding for a week or two even on it, I wasn't going to concern myself. So that's one of those things that you just learn over time as you start to develop yourself as a trader, when you like to trade and when you don't. And for me, from just before Christmas to the end of December, I do very little trading. With that being said, I'm not going to make this video too long. We did very well. 2 days of trading. What we ended up with was a 17% ROI on the week, which I'm pretty happy with. I'm not going to complain about that at all on a 2-day trading week. Very happy with that. So I hope you is following along. I hope you picked up some of those positions with us. I hope you is able to get in, get out, and make yourself some money. Because again, that's what this channel is all about, is showing you what I'm picking up so that you can follow along and do the same. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll never tell you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. What I will do is tell you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and at what prices, so that you can get the inside track and be able to do that the same, especially if you're new to the market, you don't have all the ins and outs, you don't have the research, It's good to have someone you can follow along with and get that confidence, because it's one of the most important things you can have as a trader or as a businessman, as a successful person in life, is to have confidence. And with that being said, I am going to go on just a little bit of a rant, and that is about having confidence. So many people, they say raise your expectations, raise your goals. Well, I do agree. Too many people go through life with their expectations too low, and that's why they never achieve anything. So I'm all about raising your expectations. But now I'm going to say something that you've probably never been told, and that is lower your goals. Bring your goals down to something you can achieve. The more wins you get, the more confident you get, and the more confident you get, the better you're going to do in whatever it is you're doing. If you've never made but say $40,000 a year and you want to make $1 million, don't set your goal for $1 million, because if it takes you 10 years to get there, you're going to have 10 years of not meeting your goal, and chances are you're going to get tired, you're going to give up on it. Set your goal to double, make 80 grand. When you make 80 grand, say I'm going to make 100. When you make 100, say I'm going to make 200, and keep making that goal just a little bit larger and keep getting there. With that being said, I also want to point out, just because you make your goal, don't give up. Made 80 grand, I don't have to do anything else. It only took me 6 months. No. Try to demolish your goals. Set your goals where they are easily obtainable, and then demolish them. Turn yourself into a beast. Demolish your goals, and you'll have no fear in setting your goal and moving forward, because you'll know that not only do you meet your goals, you destroy them and you move forward. That's my message for you. That's what I want everyone out there to become. I want you to become a beast in life. I want you to be successful. I want you to be financially free. And I want you to be doing what God put you on this earth to do, because I believe we all have a purpose. So that's what I got for you. Catch me tomorrow. We'll be going over the market, talking about crypto a little bit. Most importantly, we're going to be getting everything set up for the new crypto and stock portfolio that I'm opening that's going live January 1st. If you want to be a part of that, time's running out. Get yourself in the comments. Let me know that you're interested. I'm going to be getting links out to everyone, and we're going to get this ball rolling. We're going to make a New Year's resolution that's going to change the entire trajectory of your life. You're going to want to be a part of it. Don't miss out. That's what I got for you. Be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.